Imagine this. One moment, light, warmth, life. The next, nothing. The sun is gone. Cities go black. Planes lose direction. Satellites fail. Crowds look up in confusion. No sunrise, no warmth, no explanation. The day the sun disappeared would be the beginning of Earth's countdown. We just lost the sun, but here's the twist. Earth doesn't know it yet. For the next 8 minutes, sunlight still races toward us. The sky stays blue. Birds still sing. Nothing seems wrong. But the sun is already gone. And here's the real mystery. Gravity travels at the speed of light. So when the last sunlight reaches Earth, so does the truth. The solar system will snap out of orbit, like marbles flung off a spinning disk. The countdown has begun. The sun is not just our light bulb in space, it's our life support system. It warms our oceans, drives the winds, and powers the water cycle that feeds every living thing. Its gravity holds Earth in orbit, our anchor in space. It fuels photosynthesis, the silent miracle that turns light into life. Without it, plants die. Oxygen drops. Ecosystems collapse. Even time itself bends around the sun. Our calendars, our seasons, our days, all sync to one burning star 150 million kilometers away. Take away the sun, and you don't just lose daylight, you lose the logic of life. 8 minutes later, it's gone. The sun's last light blinks out. A cold shadow spreads. Temperatures plunge. Within hours, it feels like winter. Everywhere. Solar panels go silent. Satellites lose power. Electric grids begin to fail. Cities dim, then die. Animals panic. Humans scramble to understand, to adapt. Some turn to faith. Others turn on each other. But this is just the beginning. As Earth begins to freeze, the countdown becomes a crisis. 1 week without the sun, Earth begins to die. Temperatures drop to minus 70 degrees Celsius. Oceans freeze, not just on the surface, but deep below. Tropical cities buried in snow. Rainforests fall silent. The air becomes a threat. Without sunlight, photosynthesis halts. Plants wither. Oxygen falls, animals die. Human food chains collapse. Some seek shelter. Bunkers, nuclear outposts. But nothing prepares us for a world turned to ice. The planet that once bloomed with life, now a cold, silent tomb. Without the sun's gravity, everything unravels. The planets no longer orbit, they drift. Earth, once anchored in a perfect cosmic dance, now flies blind through deep space. Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, all veering off course. The moon, freed from Earth's grip, it spirals, maybe colliding, maybe leaving forever. Comets, asteroids, debris now roam wild. What was once a solar system is now a minefield. And Earth, adrift, alone, hurtling toward the unknown with no destination. The surface is dead, but could life survive? Beneath the crushing cold at the bottom of the ocean, hydrothermal vents still glow. Down here, the sun never mattered. Ecosystems fed by Earth's own heat, alien worlds beneath our feet. And what about us? In bunkers, humans huddle. Nuclear power, LED farms, artificial air. But time is short, resources vanish, and hope decays. Could we reach Mars? Build starships? Maybe. But in the silence of space, hope is the most fragile thing of all. But wait, how could the sun vanish? Stars don't just disappear. So what did this? One theory, a rogue black hole, invisible, silent, drifting through our system and devouring the sun. Another idea? An alien megastructure, a Dyson sphere, harvesting every drop of solar energy. A technology so advanced, it leaves nothing behind. Or maybe this is all a simulation, and someone hit reset. We don't know. And that is terrifying. The sun was stable, predictable, until it wasn't. In the vast cosmos, even stars can go missing. Could the sun have turned into a black hole? No. Our sun just isn't big enough. Only stars 3 times its mass collapse into black holes. Our sun? It will become a red giant, then a white dwarf. No explosion, no cosmic collapse, just fading away. But what if it did become a black hole? Earth wouldn't be sucked in. The mass is the same, so we'd keep orbiting an invisible point. No light, no heat, just gravity and darkness. Earth, frozen solid, still spinning around something we can't even see. The sun is gone, but humans don't give up that easily. Some propose igniting Jupiter, turning it into a second sun. The science? Wild. The danger? Massive. But maybe possible. Others look outward. Could we build artificial suns? Fusion reactors in orbit? Lighting Earth from space? Or giant mirrors? Reflecting starlight across the void? And if that fails, we leave. Interstellar ships, frozen passengers, a journey to a new sun. We've imagined this moment in stories. Now, we'd have to live it. Our species versus the cold infinity. The sun is gone, but what if we built our own? A synthetic star constructed by humanity, engineered light, in a universe that no longer gives it freely. Could we reignite the sky? Could we become the light? These aren't just questions, they're survival plans. So if you're still orbiting with us, hit subscribe, ignite the bell, and prepare for a future that's darker, but never hopeless. Because in this universe, what if is just the beginning.